This custom piece features a sketch-style livery created by Ferrari design chief Flavio Manzoni when he first put pen to paper to design a new car. The concept is similar to the custom Bugatti Chiron Super Sport that was also presented at Monterey last week, although unlike the Bugatti, which featured a series of 45 individual sketches drawn onto the surface by hand, the Ferrari livery was airbrushed. The blank canvas in this case is a matte yellow color known as giallo tristrato, with a matte black known as Nero DS sketch used for the sketch. This theme is carried over to the cabin with yellow Alcantara trim contrasted by a black embroidered design sketch. The yellow color refers to the yellow card Ferrari designers used for their initial sketches and ideas during the design process for the new car. Ferrari noted, like all 812 competitions, it is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine, tuned to produce 789 at 8,500 revolutions per minute. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and can accelerate the car from 0 to 62 in less than 3 seconds and up to a top speed of 211 miles per hour.